love energies. So, friends, why today's topic is love? Why it is means? Because meditation and love are both are friends. If you increase the love in your life, your being, meditation quality also improves. Okay? So, morning to evening, when we are in a loving frequency, then we accumulate a lot of energy points. And that energy points, when it reaches to certain level, a thoughtless stage comes naturally. That's the formula. So it is, the formula is like, I'll tell in a materialistic way. If you're depositing 1 rupee, one day you'll become the crorepati. In the same way, when you become the crorepati, then automatically certain advantages are there. If you're depositing certain energies every day through your meditation and loving frequency, depositing certain energy points in your bank, one day you'll become crorepati. That means enlightened being. Enlightened being means the moment they sit in meditation, close their eyes, that much happiness and bliss will be there, so that mind will not go here and there. Mind will stay there only because mind likes the bliss. Mind will not wander away. Mind stays there. Master, if you say I'll go, otherwise I'll stay here only. Because mind is the bliss. The energy means more bliss. More bliss means mind will not go here and there. That's an enlightened state, friends. To get that state, every day, we need to do meditation and we need to be in the loving frequency. Loving frequency means depositing frequency. Fearful, anger frequency means frustration, irritation, and feeling bad about. These are frequency means depleting energies, withdrawing frequency. You need to deposit in such a way that you need to be enlightened frequency.